Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to overlap sections in Elementor. This is a fantastic technique that adds depth and visual interest to your web pages, making your designs look more modern and professionally crafted. Let's dive right into the steps. First, you'll need to log into your WordPress dashboard. This is where you manage all aspects of your website. Once you're logged in, navigate to Pages, then click on All Pages in the left sidebar. This will display a list of all the pages you've created on your website. From your list of pages, locate the page you want to edit and click on the blue Edit with Elementor button. This will open up the Elementor Visual Editor where you can design your page in real time and see exactly how it will look to your visitors. Now let's add your first section. Click on the gray plus icon, which you'll typically find in the center of the page or at the top. This will give you options to select a structure for your section. Choose the column layout that suits your design needs, whether that's a single column, two columns, or any other configuration. With your first section in place, it's time to style it. Click on the section handle, which is the small icon that appears at the top of your section. This selects the entire section rather than individual elements within it. Once selected, head over to the Style tab in the left panel. Here, set a background color for this section. For example, you might choose blue to create a distinct visual block. Next, add a second section directly below the first one. Click on the plus icon that appears below your first section and select a structure for this new section as well. This second section will be what overlaps with the first, creating that layered effect we're after. Now style this second section in a similar way. Select the section handle, go to the Style tab, and choose a different background color. Let's say green, so you can clearly see the overlap effect when we create it. Here's where the magic happens. With your second section still selected, navigate to the Advanced tab in the left panel. Look for the margin settings, which control the spacing around your section. Click on top margin and set it to a negative value, something like -50 px. The negative value is what pulls the second section upward, making it overlap with the first section. You can adjust this number to increase or decrease the amount of overlap depending on your design preference. Finally, preview your page by clicking the eye icon at the bottom of the Elementor panel. This shows you exactly how your overlapping sections will appear to visitors, allowing you to make any final adjustments to the spacing or colors. And that's it. You've successfully created overlapping sections in Elementor, giving your page a more dynamic and layered appearance. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.